So in this EQ Bank tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to open up a US dollar account here on EQ Bank. So what I want you to do is go to the dashboard page here in the bottom left, and once you guys are here, go to the top right and press on the three vertical or horizontal lines. Once you're on this page, I want you to scroll down to where the products tab is. Once you have the featured products page in front of you, in the middle it sort of says US dollar account between TFSA and marketplace. Go ahead and press US dollar account. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where you can go ahead and read more about the US dollar account. So US dollar account, high interest on every US dollar with no monthly fees. It shows you the current conversion rate. You can move USD without conversion fees, send money abroad, etc. You can also scroll down and see some highlights about the account, as well as additional resources. And if this looks good to you, at the bottom, go ahead and press on Open a US account. Then once you're on this screen right here, you can go ahead and open up an EQ Bank US dollar account. So once again, you can read more information about it, see the monthly fees, the interest rate, etc. You can also scroll down and link the accounts, transfer, etc. So if this looks good to you, you can just go to the bottom and write about how you intend to use this account. So you can do it for personal savings or investment. You can also do it, you can name your accounts whatever you want. So you can change the nickname there. Go ahead and accept it. If this looks good to you, go to the bottom, press open a US dollar account, and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to open up a US dollar account on EQ Bank. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.